A question I get often in the comments section is what to do when you're going to be pouring concrete over your underground buried downspout system. Well, here we have a great example. The homeowner is going to be putting a walkway down the side of this house, so we have to prep it knowing that there's going to be a concrete company coming in behind us to put in a walkway. We're using our 3-inch Pro Kit. This is the largest 3-inch line in its class. We went ahead and we sleeved it. We're going to tape this connection right here, but before there's tape on it, I wanted you to be able to see it. We got a 3-inch pipe going inside a piece of 4-inch dual wall. There's going to be a sidewalk right here. The guys did a beautiful job getting the slope right. They worked really hard on this. We're really deep up by the house, but they're going to form in and put a sidewalk in. And since we don't know if the contractors come and they're reckless and careless, they're going to damage the pipe. If they hit the dual wall, which is just being used as a sleeve, it's not going to damage the pipe that we're using for drainage, which is the 3-inch. That's our 3-inch plus. This is our Pro Kit. It's beautiful. Really, really nice. Really nice work. Really nice work. Again, this is our 3-inch plus. It's a little bit bigger. It's plus size 3-inch. Really nice. I love it. It's what we're using for all our downspouts. The guys have the catch basin taped up really nice. They got the couplers, those offsets, they're set at their deepest level because we had to go deep because there's going to be a cement sidewalk put in here. This is French Drain Man's not quite a 90. You're going to get a better flow. Instead of the water just slamming into a 90, we have this ramped, real subtle. We tweaked this 90 a few degrees. It's not quite a 90. It's going to put our lid to our pop-up down a little bit, which I want. I want the water to run away. Don't tape this right at the fitting. The French Drain Man's not quite a 90 fitting. We don't tape that. So the guys, they put drainage stone underneath where the pop-up fitting connects to the 3-inch pipe. No tape. That's where you're going to leach all the water away after the system's done running. You're going to remove all the bulk water during the storm. We're going to discharge the bulk water safely away from the house. As you can see, we're probably 25 feet away from the house. Guys did a beautiful job. This is a beautiful job done by a professional crew. Everything you see here comes in a kit. This is our Pro Kit. And if you need a dual wall sleeve, we sell that in our yard. And if you buy pallet orders, we can put it on your pallet and ship it to you with the rest of your order. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until that next video,